Gordon at Wilderness Twins again. So what I'm just about to do, I've just got my a little barbecue basically that I've got going just now. It's basically a vegetable steamer from IKEA. So anyway, let me show you exactly what it is and how much it costs and why I like this setup. Okay, let's have a look.
What I'm doing, this is just a new idea that I've just came across, that when I've got a steamer. This is a vegetable steamer. I got this from IKEA. I thought this would be a perfect little bowl for doing barbecues or anything like that. So all I did was get that. I got a little tray and to put it on, and there's a perfect little barbecue. Only cost $5, and the tray I got from the dollar store at $1.50. So there's $6.50, and then you've got a little barbecue that you can take along into the woods. You can boil stuff on it. Where's my other? Oh, I'm trying to find a piece of rod. Just trying to get gloves. Where's my gloves? Gloves in my pocket. Another way you can do it. It's not just the barbecue, but if you want to actually tighten it up a little bit, you can actually put them in that way, and you've actually got holes that if you go and cut, these are cut from coat hanger. A bit warm. Just trying to fit that through the hole. There you go. So all you do is, that didn't go through. Yeah, here we go. And you can set a little pot on it, so you can boil up your water and all this sort of stuff on there. I thought that was quite a cool little thing. It folds up really tidily. That goes in mega. I'll show you that when that's cold. I'll take some photographs and add that onto the video. So now it's dinner time, so you'll have to excuse me while I just go and grab dinner. And tonight is just just doing something easy and simple. Some good old-fashioned hot dogs, some Polish sausage. Yummy. So there you go, guys. I'm not in the picture for this one, but I just wanted to do a wee demonstration on this. As you can see, zoom in a little bit more, and it's absolutely ideal for taking away in a backpack. I've got some charcoals in there, so they're going to keep hot for quite some time, but you can just do it with wood as well. The wood is absolutely perfect for doing this situation. So there you go. That's another wee idea from the Wilderness Twins. So thanks very much for watching. We try to do all these little gadgets and all that sort of stuff, and hopefully somebody likes them and then goes on to do something like that. So it just shows you don't have to go and buy mega amount of equipment. You could even go down to probably, I don't know, your local charity shop might have something like that in there, but as I say, I got mine from IKEA. You're bound to get similar sort of things from Walmart, Canadian Tire, that kind of thing. So if you want to go down there, try it out. There's it $5–6, and then you've got a lovely little barbecue. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.